Good morning, sir, madam. I'm Bernadette Lacuna. I'm 33 years old. I'm single and I am a college graduate.
What are the reasons why would you like to work in Hong Kong?
I would like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my future and to help my family.
When an employer gets angry to your mistakes and shout to you, what would you do?
I will say sorry and I will not do it again.
If children are very naughty and always shout to you and hit you, what will you do to them?
I will love them as my own family. I will treat them in a nice way. I will never hurt them and I will always be patient to them.
What will you do with the clothes before washing?
I will separate the white clothes to the color and check the packet if there's something important. If there is, I will return it back to my employer.
If you find some money or jewelry in your employer's clothes or in the room, what will you do?
I put it back to my employer.
Can you give employer's phone number to your friends or relatives? Why?
No, because it is private matter.
If you don't understand the instruction from your employer, what will you do?
I will tell my employer to repeat the instruction for me to understand very well.
You agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, I am agree.
What is your promise to your employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
I promise to do all my best to serve you. I will be honest, hardworking, and loving to your children. Thank you, sir and madam. See you in Hong Kong.